Hey food lovers! If you're on a low-carb journey or just looking for a healthier way to enjoy your favorite comfort food, then you need to try this. Today, we're making a fantastic high-protein, low-carb cauliflower fried rice featuring succulent BBQ pork and chicken. It's easier than you think, and the flavor is out of this world. So, let's get cooking. Our first step is creating the cauliflower rice. Turn it over and let's cut the cauliflower into florets. With your florets prepared, carefully place them in a food processor. Pulse the cauliflower multiple times, checking until it reaches a rice-like texture. Once it's rice, set it aside. Now that the cauliflower is prepped, let's move on to the fried rice. We'll start by whisking 2 large eggs. Pour the beaten eggs into a lightly oiled wok, heat it to medium, and cook until set like an omelette. Carefully fold the cooked omelette, transfer it to a cutting board, and then slice it into thin strips. Alright, let's chop up about a half cup of shallot. This will be our flavor base for the fried rice. Add a little more oil and saute the shallots for a couple of minutes. While the shallots are sauteing, dice 4 boneless chicken thighs. Then stir the chicken into the wok and cook through. While the chicken is cooking, let's prepare our sauce by combining half teaspoon of sesame seed oil, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir the sauce to combine it thoroughly, then pour approximately 2 tablespoons over the chicken. Now we'll dice 1 cup of carrot into small cubes. Add them to the wok and stir until they are tender. To enhance the taste with a deeper and slightly sweet flavor, let's dice 200 grams of Chinese BBQ pork and stir it into the wok. Now it's time to add our prepared cauliflower rice and stir it gently for about a minute. Next, pour the remaining sauce we mixed earlier into the wok, along with half cup of green peas and the sliced egg. At this point, taste the fried rice. If you like more seasoning, add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of white pepper. Finally, chop about 2 stalks of green onion and sprinkle them over the fried rice as the garnish. And that's how you make this incredible high-protein, low-carb cauliflower fried rice. You can really taste the savory goodness of the BBQ pork and chicken, balanced by the natural sweetness of the carrots and the freshness of the green onion. And the texture, tender and slightly chewy, just like fried rice should be, but lighter. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes. And we will see you next time.